Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install texture packs in Minecraft Java. Firstly, launch the CurseForge client and on the left hand sidebar, click Minecraft. Then click Browse to view mod-related content. At the top, use the drop-down menu to select Resource Packs. This filters out the mods and shows only texture packs. Browse through the available packs and click on a pack to read its description, to see screenshots and check compatibility with your version. Once you've found the one you like, click Install. This will start downloading and prepping it for Minecraft. After clicking Install, CurseForge will prompt you to add it to a mod profile. You can either create a new profile or add it to an existing one. Think of a mod profile as a custom Minecraft setup for specific mods or textures. Name your profile, make sure the Minecraft version matches your installed game, then click Create. Now go back to My Mod Packs tab, click Play next to the profile you just created, and Minecraft will launch with all the new resource pack applied. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.